community is very damaged still. I've really got to get out of the truck and see everything. It's all just destroyed right now. I still consider that place my home because it's my home state. That really, really makes me want to go up there and help.
The water was rising so fast. We just crawled up the bank, up to our neighbors, and it just picked our house up and took it.
We all take for granted that we get them to go home every day. They don't have that. It was washed away in a matter of minutes.
It has been a really difficult process to get deliveries in.
This is where that big landslide was, right here.
It has become vital that I do something to make sure my community members get the help and the materials and the supplies that they need. Mr. and Mrs. Hilliard are rebuilding their home completely washed away.
We're hoping to rebuild because we've been here 50 years.
You're not leaving?
Not leaving, not leaving, no.
That's life-changing for them. All of the supplies will help get them started on rebuilding what they've lost. Every turn posed new challenges every single time. If you're going to go at something relentlessly, nothing's going to stop you. I got to get there so they can use it to rebuild what they don't have. To be part of that, to bring them hope, was something that I'll remember for the rest of my life. For me to just be a small part means a lot.
I'm so thankful for the truckers. The truckers have been bringing us stuff nonstop. For what we're doing here, they're everything. They're bringing us everything we need. It's been incredible.
Everything we saw up there is what motivates me. So it means a lot to me to be able to bring these people something that they could use to make it easier for them to rebuild what they don't have now. And I'm going to keep doing that.